Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today with me I have the Crompton Greaves Jura Conch Cream color shade 1 48 inches. So let me show you. This is at my uncle's house. You can see this is the exact fan. See, it's the false ceiling fan, but still the fitment is really awesome and Jura is looking really awesome. I'm going to soon buy it for me also. It's looking really decent. If your house, you can see the interior of this room, just check out the interior, it's so good. The thing is that in rooms like this fans are not to be shown, so the ceiling and fan color should be exactly same. Like the matte white is there, so matte white should be only there. That is the Crompton Jura, so that the fan is never noticed by someone, like if the ceiling fan is there, because nowadays people don't, like in such houses they don't put ceiling fans or something, they directly just put some decorative fan or something. So it's here. See the capacitance is not sure. This thing I need to climb up. Wait a second. So as you can see, the fan is here. There was the label on that, I've seen it. So guys, this fan is there. Now let me switch this on. On full speed. 3 idea. So guys, this is 380 RPM, really fast, really awesome. The Jura is really awesome. Anti-test one. I'm gonna buy this surely. Surely unboxing will be coming on my channel. So guys, thank you for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. If you like the review video, then please put a like and do share the video. You don't share with me, and don't forget to subscribe. You guys, a 90% are unsubscribed one. So I want you to subscribe. Please do subscribe, don't make me sad. Thank you guys. I'm be back with another video on some other fan very soon. So please wait and watch for more interesting content.